Hello, in this class, I'm going to present the roadmap for those people who have just finished the high school plus two and are interested in pursuing BSc in science, a bachelor degree in science, or those people who have finished bachelor and now they are interested in joining some highly professional master degree program in a reputed university or college. So this is meant for those people who really want to have professionally successful and stable career after finishing bachelor or master degree. Mostly what I'm going to present the idea here, what will be the best course in order to have immediate job in the market in a private organization or in a research organization. So normally the people struggle at the like just after finishing plus two or high school. So before they start BSc, in this case, a large number of students are spending their time in preparation of medicine or engineering in Asian countries. But the most important thing is the timeline and much better life than those who are finishing medicine degree or engineering degree. So there are large number of opportunities or the courses which will guide your future in a much better and stable life or career. So let's say here, first you need to decide what is the best bachelor or master's degree course and the future career or career perspective as per your interest. So what are the subjects or fields which attracts you or where you are more passionate about, and where is your main strength? Then are you also interested in some kind of technological development or advancement? And for that, there is no need, like nothing mandatory whether you are doing bachelor or master's. It depends on your curiosity, thinking, creativity, and dedication. Then, what are the preferred industries where you would like to go? For example, healthcare, finance, technology, education, design, and innovation. Then geographical preferences based on your geographical location. And finally, the career goals. So some people wants to have a career in such a way that they can join the jobs in any part of the world. And if you are looking for such global career, then you need to dedicate your bachelor or master's study very seriously. So here, for example, if someone is interested in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics, then one of the immediate program still, which is quite old now, that is computer science. And the new study is data science. Then it comes bioinformatics and systems biology, biotechnology, engineering, mathematics. In mechanical, electrical, and civil, I prefer and I would suggest most of the students to go for electrical engineering. And has like globally more and more scope. Then similarly, for master's program, there are more precise and dedicated subjects such as artificial intelligence, data science, robotics, cybersecurity, then again bioinformatics and systems biology, data analytics, environmental engineering. And next is software developer, where you could have careers. Data as a data scientist, AI engineer, research scientists, systems architect. Now, for health and life sciences, mostly the people thinks they have the subjects such as MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine, or engineer, like, public health, nursing, biology, pharmacy. But there are some more advancement where there is mixed application subjects between STEM, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and health and life sciences. And for example, those subjects are like systems biotechnique or biosystems technique, biomedicines, then biomedical engineering. These are forever programs, and always they have really open opportunities. There is less struggle to get the job if you have really good background in that particular field. Then in master's program, there are something epidemiology, which is very, very old subject, healthcare administration, biomedical sciences. And then career-wise, you could work in as a nursing staff, public health officer, pharmacist, medical researcher, and also there is always opportunity for the PhD program. So these are the diverse field where you could really focus on it, and you could develop really good career. So the next part is more precise. If someone wants to study BSc computer science, normally you have like year one basics of computer science, computer organization, digital electronics, programming concepts. Then it's like second year data structures, operating systems, computer networks, system programming. Then next part is web technology, mobile applications and development, Python or programming, then certain project works. Then more precise, like subject wise, you could see how it could be in first and second year, third year. Now, the program overview, this interdisciplinary undergraduate program combines biology, computer science, like I'm talking now about computational biology and data science to equip students with the skill to analyze and interpret complex biological data using computational tools and technique. In general, in computational biology or bioinformatics and systems biology, you have also to learn fundamentals of biology for those people who do not have background in biology. Cell biology, molecular and general genetics, biological chemistry, experimental biology, lab, principles of chemistry. Then more is about, again, similar to computer science, programming introduction, data structures and algorithms, which is very important part to understand data structures and the algorithms. Database management, computer applications in molecular biology, machine learning for bioinformatics. Then core curriculum is about mathematics and statistics, calculus, linear algebra, discrete mathematics, statistics, and probabilities. Now, next part is if you are going more, what is bioinformatics, like introductory bioinformatics, genomics, proteomics, systems biology, structural bioinformatics or computational chemistry, biological data analysis, bioinformatics tools and algorithms, practical skill developments like use of tools. These are very old tools, but nowadays there are large number, hundreds of thousands of softwares and tools which are used by or developed by bioinformaticians and used by biological scientists and the medical scientists. Then programming in Java, R, Perl, Python, data visualization, scientific or statistical modeling, working with genomic and proteomics data. So as in terms of career perspectives, you can work as a bioinformatics analysts, computational biologists, data scientists, genomic researcher, pharmaceutical and research and development associate, or continue with MSc, PhD in bioinformatics, computational system biology, biomedicine, biomedical data science, and method development. So these are the detailed curriculum structure for the computational biology or bioinformatics and systems biology. So in definition, bioinformatics or computational biology and system biology means when, like in a phrasal way, you can say when computer meets biology. So basically, you need to have balanced knowledge of basic science and biology and computer science. If you have balanced knowledge of it, you can develop a really bright future in after studying these courses in a large number of industries and academia. So it depends on you. Now, there are a number of few things where you need to study. By the way, I will also have some of the list of universities where I could suggest to study. So especially in India or in Asian countries such as Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, these countries have some really good names of the universities, but in reality, inside there is no teaching at all. So they are just distributing the degrees. And this mostly happens with the top class government universities or colleges. While most of the reputed private colleges and universities, they are having much better educational criterias and teaching style, teaching dedication for the students. So don't be confused with the top government university names or colleges. Prefer first to analyze which college have really good teaching dedication. Because in the government universities, there in this field, especially computational biology and bioinformatics, there are only few universities where they have dedicated faculties. And in case they have dedicated faculties, still they do not teach with honesty and full professionalism. They are just taking the salaries and just staying as a lazy person coming to have some attendance just to show their faces, but they are involved in dirty politics. So it's better to study in such a university or college where they maintain the real sanctity of a university or college instead of indulging the students or environment towards nonsense discussion. So definitely I will be coming out with a list of international top class universities, colleges, and national universities and colleges where I could suggest that these are the universities or colleges where you could study or continue your study. So there are few confusions which the students should understand in the beginning. To study abroad does not mean that you need to be financially strong or very strong. I just feel or I have the experiences, even if you don't have your money or financial support, still you can go abroad, especially to Europe, where you can study without money. So don't be confused and don't be shy to apply to for the master, especially for master's degree program in Europe. And that is always the best destination for those people who are really, really interested to have bright future career in the after studying bachelor and masters. Thank you very much.